In a quiet, silver-green meadow surrounded by tall, whispering grasses and gentle rolling hills, there lived a small fairy named Elia. She had delicate, shimmering wings like morning dew and a heart full of kindness. Every morning she would glide over the meadow, greeting the butterflies, humming with the bees, and brushing her fingers along the petals of blooming flowers. But one evening, as the sky turned shades of violet and gold, Elia noticed something unusual near the edge of the meadow, close to the old oak tree. There, hidden among the bright blossoms, stood a strange flower unlike any she had ever seen. Its petals all were dark, deep black with faint silver veins, and it seemed to absorb the sunlight instead of shining in it. No birds perched near it, no bees buzzed around it. The grass around it looked pale and tired. Curious and concerned, Elia fluttered closer. The air around the flower felt cold, even though it was summer. She gently touched one of its petals, and a soft sigh seemed to echo through the wind.
This flower is cursed.
Long ago, a shadow passed through this meadow and left a mark of darkness behind.
Elia's tiny face filled with sadness. She couldn't bear to see something so lonely and forgotten. While the other fairies warned her to stay away, Elia believed that no living thing deserved to be abandoned. The next morning, she returned with determination. She sat beside the flower and spoke to it in soft, comforting words. She told it about the sunrise, about the laughter of the brook, about the way the stars shimmered at night. Then she sprinkled a little sparkling fairy dust over its dark petals. Nothing happened at first, but Elia did not give up. Day after day, she visited the cursed flower. She sang gentle songs. She shielded it from harsh winds. She shared stories of hope and warmth. Each time, she left behind a shimmer of fairy dust and a little more love. Slowly, almost invisibly, something began to change. One morning, Elia noticed a thin crack in one of the black petals. Beneath it was the faintest hint of color, soft lavender glowing like dawn. Her heart leapt with joy. She continued her care, even when the sky turned gray and the wind tried to scatter her dust away. The curse resisted. Some nights, dark shadows crept around the flower, trying to close it again. But Elia stayed brave. She sat beside it, glowing gently, her light pushing back the darkness. Then, one bright spring morning, the miracle happened. The black petals slowly unfolded and fell away like fading shadows. Beneath them bloomed the most beautiful flower the meadow had ever seen. Petals of pink, gold, and violet swirling together like a sunset. It shimmered softly, no longer cold but warm with life. Almost instantly, the meadow responded. Bees returned, buzzing happily. Butterflies danced in colorful spirals. Birds perched nearby and sang sweet melodies. Even the grass seemed greener, stronger. The curse had not disappeared completely, but it had lost its power. Elia smiled, her wings sparkling brighter than ever. She understood something important. Darkness may try to stay, but patience, kindness, and love are stronger than any curse. From that day on, the once cursed flower stood as a symbol of hope in the meadow, a reminder that even the darkest things can bloom again when someone cares enough to believe in them.
You have an extreme wish you want to come true quickly. Write it in the comment box. And don't forget to like and subscribe.